Being a good friend doesn't mean being perfect. It means trying to be kind, honest, and caring, even when things feel hard. Sometimes friendships feel easy and fun, and other times they feel confusing or uncomfortable. If you've ever wondered how to be a good friend, you're not alone. Every kid is learning this skill step by step. A good friend starts by noticing others. When you see a friend who looks sad, left out, or quiet, that's your chance to show care. You can walk over and ask, "Are you okay?" or simply sit nearby. Small actions help people feel seen. Being a good friend also means listening. When a friend talks, turn your body toward them, look at them, and let them finish their words. Even if you're excited to talk, waiting shows respect. Listening helps your friend feel understood and safe. Kind words matter in friendships. Saying things like, "Thank you," "Good job," or "I like playing with you" helps friendships grow stronger. If you're upset, try using calm, honest words instead of mean ones. You can say, "I feel upset," instead of blaming or yelling. Sharing and taking turns are important parts of being a good friend. It's okay to want things for yourself, but friendships work best when everyone gets a chance. Using words like, "Can we take turns?" helps keep play fair and fun. Sometimes friends make mistakes, and sometimes you do too. Being a good friend means knowing how to say sorry and how to forgive. Saying sorry shows courage, and forgiving shows kindness. You don't have to forget what happened right away, but choosing kindness helps friendships heal. Being a good friend also means respecting boundaries. If a friend says no, doesn't want to play, or needs space, that's okay. Respecting their feelings shows care, even when it's disappointing. There are times when friendships feel hard or confusing. If you don't know what to do, asking a trusted adult for help is a smart choice. Getting help doesn't mean you failed, it means you care about doing the right thing. Friendships grow through small, everyday actions. Smiling, helping, listening, sharing, and being patient all add up. You won't get it right all the time, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep trying. Being a good friend helps others feel happy and safe, and it helps you feel proud of yourself too. You are learning how to care, connect, and grow with others. If this video helps you think about friendship in a new way, tap the like button so I know to make more videos that support you. And tell me in the comments, what is one thing you can do today to be a good friend? You are learning, you are growing, and I'm proud of you for trying.